Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal on Friday rejected two moves by the Arvind Kejriwal government as a part of the third phase of easing the COVID-19 lockdown. Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party government had allowed hotels to reopen from Saturday and a one-week trial for the weekly markets in the city as part of Unlock 3. Baijal, who represents the central government and chairs the Delhi Disaster Management Authority, has ruled that these orders cannot be implemented. Last month, he had cancelled a controversial decision to reserve hospitals except those run by the Centre for Residents of Delhi. He also had reversed the decision to test only those showing symptoms of COVID-19 and said that asymptomatic cases and high-risk contacts of a virus patient will also be tested. At least 21 people have died in several districts of Punjab, allegedly after consuming toxic liquor, prompting Chief Minister Amarinder Singh to order a high-level probe. The senior Congress leader later tweeted that the guilty will not be spared. Singh tweeted that he has ordered a magisterial inquiry into suspected spurious liquor deaths in Amritsar, Gurdaspur and Taran Taran. Commissioner Jalandhar Division will conduct the inquiry and coordinate with concerned SSPs and other officers. Anyone found guilty will not be spared. The Jammu and Kashmir administration on Friday extended by another 3 months the detention of former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti under the Public Safety Act. Mufti has spent almost a year in confinement, first at a government guest house and then at her residence, since the August 5 clampdown on Jammu and Kashmir's political leadership following the revocation of its special status. Mufti, who remains one of the last mainstream political leaders booked and detained under PSA, was first placed under preventive detention, and in February she was charged under the PSA with former Chief Ministers Farooq Abdullah and Omar Abdullah. Both Omar Abdullah and Farooq Abdullah have now been released in the month of March. Enforcement Directorate has lodged a money laundering case against Rhea Chakraborty in connection with the Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. Top officials in the probe agency have confirmed that Rhea and her other family members have been booked by the Enforcement Directorate under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Yesterday, the Enforcement Directorate had sought details from the police in connection with the FIR, which was lodged in connection with Sushant's death case. In the complaint filed by Sushant's father KK Singh, he had alleged that defraud of Rs 15 crore was done by Rhea Chakraborty and her family members. Rhea Chakraborty, who has been accused of threatening and cheating Sushant Singh Rajput by his family members, has released a video today. The actress is seen appealing for justice in the video. Sushant's father KK Singh filed a complaint against Rhea in Patna. However, she says in the video that I have immense faith in God and the judiciary. I believe that I will get justice even though a lot of horrible things are being said about me in the electronic media. I refrain from commenting on the advice of my lawyers. She also says Satyamev Jayate, the truth shall prevail.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app. Choose the language you prefer to get updates in and be up to date with the latest news.